Scottish historian Thomas Carlyle once stated that the history of the world is the biography of great men. Now indeed, when we take a look at this quote, we realize that it's through the contributions of the great men throughout history that have in turn fueled the gears of history itself, that have led to amazing innovations and amazing developments throughout all of our lives. And today I want to talk about the entire idea of ambition. It's important for all of us to follow our ambitions, to follow our passions, and to follow what we believe is right and what we, as ourselves, have interests in. And I want to develop this idea through many examples related not only to history, to contemporary global affairs, and also to, well, my personal life. So I want to start by talking about an example related to my personal life. Back when I was in 7th grade, I had a huge, major crush on this one girl in my class. Her name was Diana, and I thought she was the most beautiful thing that my perverted prepubescent self had ever. Now, when I was in 7th grade, I wanted to get a six-pack. I wanted to show off her. I wanted to be jacked and buffed and win over her affection and finally ask her out to the prom and forward. Now, if you look at me today, I guess you're even pushing that podium, and that was not planned, rest assured. You can see that I'm not a very muscular guy, but it was because I had this ambition. It was because I had this innate wish, this drive, this passion to go to the gym and win over affection, that I guess I was at least able to push a little bit, right? Alright, so this only illustrates the importance of ambition and passion within our lives, within these lives of great men. This is similarly developed when we take a look at some of those well-known figures within contemporary history and contemporary politics today. I particularly want to focus on tech entrepreneur Elon Musk. Now, Elon Musk is a man that I'm sure many of you guys are familiar with. He is not only the founder, but also the CEO of world-renowned companies such as Tesla Motors, SpaceX, and the Hyperloop Initiative. And Elon Musk taught himself when he was 12 how to computer program simply by looking at books. And he was reading by himself. And it was because of his passion, it was because of the ambition that he had, that he was ultimately able to not only teach himself how to code and ultimately rocket science when he was much older, but also to change the world in the way that we know today. As we all know, one of Elon Musk's primary goals is to colonize Mars. And this is something that is is undoubtedly ambitious, and that would not have been possible were it not for his passion, were it not for his drive. This is similarly seen when we take a look at Steve Jobs. Now, Steve Jobs, who unfortunately perished in 2011, was a pioneer in terms of the cell phones and iPads as well. As we know, Apple revolutionized the entire smartphone industry in 2007 when it released the iPhone. And now this is in stark contrast with the brick-like Nokia cell phones that people used prior to this. And it was because of Steve Jobs' ambition, it was because of his drive to create products that were simple, that were beautiful, that were easy to use, that he was ultimately able to find success. He was ultimately able to revolutionize an entire industry, an entire way of thinking. Apple's slogan in the present is even think different. Now, I want to take a step back and take a look at a historical example. I want to look at the example of Mohandas K. Gandhi, who lived from 1869 to 1948. Now, Gandhi is a world-renowned figure, and Gandhi, he was known for being one of the main pioneers of peaceful resistance in the face of India's decolonization movement from Great Britain, from the 1919 Government of India Act to the ultimate partitioning of India in 1947. It was because he had these ambitious beliefs of not only an India that was free and independent, but also an India that achieved these means through peaceful methods, that he was ultimately able to achieve such a successful goal and was able to prevent as much bloodshed in the fallout of India's ultimate partition. So in conclusion, as we can see from not only my personal life, but also from the lives of Elon Musk, of Steve Jobs, and Mohandas K. Gandhi, we can see that it's important for all of us to have ambition. It's important for all of us to stand here on this stage and speak confidently, to follow our passions, and most importantly, have fun and ultimately hope for success in the future. Thank you very much.